How to join Telegram private channel without any invite link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up Telegram application. Now tap on the source icon. Now click on channels. As you can see, there is no section for private channels on Telegram source link. Even if you search the channel name, the private channel won't appear on the source list. Now go back, tap on the pencil icon. Now tap on the pencil icon. Now click on new channel. Now create any channel. Now tap on next. Now select private channel. Now under private channel, you will see private channels can only be joined via invite link. So it's not possible to join private channel without any invite link. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.